breaking news coming at you from the top of a mountain in Colorado.
It's absolutely freezing cold.
Despite Baltic cold conditions, we've got bluebird skies and we've got DJ superstar Jamie Matthew on the beats.
We've lost connectivity.
And all the way from funky fresh New Zealand, we got Finn Billis and Hamish McDougall coming to shred with us.
Alright, should we do it?
Are you down, Finn?
I'm
Do you
so
mind if
down.
Danny wiggles his pole in your direction?
Finn slips out, I blow the shot,
Bollocks!
and Danny ends up on the deck once again. Twice again. 3 times again. 4? 4! And Hamish got it all on camera.
Yeah, I think I should. Bit winded. Stick to filming.
I might go left 5 blunt and then switch sub 9
No, you didn't!
and then right 5 nose.
And later on in the program, for everybody that has been asking for it, there will be an insight into my gym program and what I get up to off the mountain. But for everybody that's got an attention span under 30 seconds, including myself, we got a whole bunch of radical skiing for you. So, Danny, hit it, baby!
Yeah.
So, a lot of people have sort of been asking about the gym and keeping yourself in good nick. On the road, it's kind of tough, and I think the main thing is just sort of making the most of it. It's a bit awkward filming in the gym, obviously. I'm rolling right now, but I'm just gonna sort of kind of actively show you a couple of things that I do in the gym to stay in good condition so that I can chill all X Games week and worry about nothing else other than shred fest, and then maybe, you know, do a bit of showing off after. Range, keep the hips moving, don't want to be jammed up. It's funny, now I'm being filmed, I feel like I'm like questioning whether I'm doing it right.
Sexy mama.
You should be using your glutes and everything, so if you're getting them fired up, then you know they're working already and you know about it. You gotta remember as well, I'm kind of just doing what I'm told. I have a 2-day program. This is legs, you know, and the main hitters on that is glutes, quads, hamstrings. That's it really. Everything uses your core. And the way my trainer Val has got it sorted out is like a run, 3 to 5 sets of quads, 3 to 5 sets of hamstrings, 3 to 5 sets of glutes. We done a little glute burner upstairs, but that's not really the glute set. That's just like to get you going, you know. That's the main thing, is trying to maintain the strength that I've got. We're mid-season. We got the biggest competition of the year, backed up by the World Championships coming right up. So it's all about staying sweet, not pushing it too hard and getting hurt, not trying to make gains so I can't get on the mountain and practice tomorrow. This is about keeping it just right. So it's always important, but more important than ever is keeping the form on point. And like I said, I am not a professional at this. I'm doing exactly what I'm told in this. So if anyone's got any problems with what I'm doing, and because I'm pretty, you know, renegade, I'm putting my quads with my hamstrings just to keep me not in the gym for like 15 hours today. So, hamstrings. So we can stay in our zone.
Yes, it's our zone.
This is like the hamstring warm-up. We're gonna have to set up something where it can film you helping me with the next hamstrings.
Oh yeah.
One more good one, you ready?
Ready.
Come on! Yeah, bro, thank you. Cheers.
I remember when my dad got his, we had a fucking bathe in the shower, in the shower. Yeah, it was
Let's just staying alert now. Alright, so by no means am I a gym person, personal trainer, nothing like that. Do not take any of my word or what I'm doing, you know, as gospel. You know, I'm a skier. I should probably be more concerned about inspiring people to fling themselves off jumps, not go to the gym, but you know what I mean. I'm entirely not telling you to do whatever, but I'm doing exactly what I'm told. Thank you very much to Val, Burke, Peak Performance, Monica. She knows, she's on my case all the time, getting me sorted, and Alison as well from GB, so thank you very much. Like I said before, all I am concerned about is being ready, fit, strong, healthy, raring to go when I get on the mountain, and there's no time where I'm more desperate to be in that right place than at the top of X Games, and that's coming right up. So you asked for Woodsy's World, this is Woodsy's World, this is exactly what we're doing. I hope it's interesting for you. So, I mean,
Nice. I need a shower.
I don't. My
Yes.
perspiration smells like roses.
I used to do more of that.
Go on.
I can't, I'm done.
Go on, you Viking. You bring out the berserker. There we go. Come on. Who's the man?
You know what? I'm the man.
Is he doing heavier?
I'm looking at the wrong chart. I'm looking at pounds instead of kegs.
Upgrading your bathroom? The Home Depot can help you now add the finishing touch with an exclusive Delta Zealot faucet.
Ooh, bring the berserk.
There you go.
I'd say just do that to like warm up.
You have 9?
No, so my buddy was one and on.
Is that it?
I think so. Done for now.
Done for now. Rock on.